On a first ever visit to the glorious hill of Meghalaya, All India Trinamool Congress Chairperson Mamata Banerjee reached Umroi Airport on the 12th of December 2022, where she was welcomed by her supporters and admirers from across the state. Ms. Mamata Banerjee was accompanied by the AITC National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, who is visiting the state for the third time. During her two-day visit, she will be attending a series of events accompanied by Meghalaya Trinamool Congress leaders. On the 13th of December, Ms. Mamata Banerjee will hold a party workers' convention at the Sosotham Auditorium, Shillong, with key TMC leaders of the state, representatives of all districts and block committees, members of the women, youth and student frontals, and over hundreds of party workers and members. On the same day, she would be attending the pre-Christmas celebrations with children from different orphanages, tribal headmen from Khasi and Jaintia Hills, eminent members of the civil society and prominent influencers of Meghalaya based out of Shillong at the Windermere Resort, Umpling, Shillong. After her arrival at the Umroi Airport, Trinamool Congress Legislature Party leader and also leader of the opposition Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, expressed his gratitude to the AITC Chairperson, who is in Shillong for the first time, and informed that all foot soldiers from the party from every nook and corner of the state will get their chance to meet the Chairperson through her audience with them in the meeting.